Cocktail Wednesday. We are back again for another great week of cocktails. This one is another favourite of mine and it's definitely got that summer vibe. So all that we need our shot glasses and we need a shot of vodka in here. This is super easy to make. So pop a shot of vodka in there and then we need a shot of Peachsnaps. I love this because it smells so good, so pretty. Okay, so we pop a shot in there straight. It's pretty strong, but it's worth it. So then we need some orange juice and some cranberry juice, and I'm gonna try and pour this together because hopefully we will get that kind of nice tropical look, she says. Okay. It worked. I'm really impressed with that. I did not think that would work. So then we get our straw. So easy. And then I'm gonna just put a little bit of fruit over it. Love it. And then we need our umbrellas, of course, because it's not a cocktail without having an umbrella. And then, because I love sparkles so much and we've just got to have it a bit more fun, I think. We've got to have a bit more fun. So this one is obviously one of my favourites, and this is called a Sex on the Beach cocktail. I love it. And there you go! Sex on the Beach cocktail. But we have to try it. I'm not going to try it yet though. So now it's actually safe to pick up. We've got to try it. Wow, that's really strong. It's really good though. It definitely kind of has that holiday taste. You can find out lots of other recipes too on natalieeaglen.com and on my YouTube as well on Natalie Eaglen. Cheers and happy Cocktail Wednesday.